The market is absolutely getting pulverized, but that's not going to stop us from making some money and making some gains in this market. Okay. So here we go. We got the high five trade of the week, and it's a name that you should all know if you're on social media at all. VST, Vistra Corporation. It's a utilities electric company for utilities, and this name was a recent purchase by, you guessed it, Nancy Pelosi. After she bought it, it absolutely skyrocketed for about, 15-20% in 1 week. As you see here, over the last 2 weeks, about 15%. So as such, it's still a very hot name, but it's had this massive pullback with the market. But I was already liking this name before Nancy Pelosi stepped in, and now I'm getting this pullback to what once was resistance, now turning into support, as you see here by this box that we have. We also have this beautiful volume shelf, and then on the weekly, same thing. We have a falling wedge pattern, and essentially you're coming right back to this area, this volume shelf, and right back to this area of which once was resistance. Now flipping it into support with a big red candle that'll come in today, and then I believe, along with the markets, we will get this V-shaped recovery and big bounce, because I don't see any sustenance to this actual pullback that we're having in the markets. I believe it's a proverbial shaking of the tree. So this is the trade I'm looking at. I think it looks great. I'm going to be a buyer down here in this area. I'll probably be a buyer pre-market. We're at 165 right now. It continues to get crushed. These companies are still going to be massively needed and massively paid due to the data centers that are going to be being built. So this whole sell off is so silly, but I'm glad it's selling off, because it's giving me a really great dip buying opportunity and an ability to get into this name at a very good price instead of up here. I can now get in down here on this retest of this pattern. So essentially, I'll be buying from here 165 down to 153 area. If we fall that low, I'll be basically buying one third, and then another one third down here. And I'll be looking to target 191 and 210 for my profit targets. Same thing on the daily chart. So daily chart, weekly chart. That's the high five trade setup of the week. I think it looks really good. The momentum is still in this name. It's just being crushed by, obviously, sellers. But make no mistake, the name was still bought by Nancy Pelosi, and it still has a lot of hype around it, and it's still in a massive uptrend on the weekly, and it's just having a normal little pullback back down here to the bottom of this support on the Williams consolidation box. So yeah, I'm gonna buy this name that was just riding high, flying high, because when we get this market bounce, this name's going to be the first one to really shoot up higher. So that's a high five trade of the week. If you like these, leave a like, leave a comment, follow for more, and let me know that you appreciate these high five setups of the week. All right, guys, stay strong. It's going to be okay. You got this. I'll catch you in the next one.